Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to show you a little bit of a haul that I got from Herrschner's. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, y'all, I need to tell you about the route that this yarn has traveled, because, all right, so a little story time here. Story time. I ordered this from Herrschner's, gosh, a while back. They were having a clearance sale, and if you guys haven't been to the Herrschner's website, which I will link it down below, it is not an affiliate link. I am not affiliated with them, but I will link Herrschner's down below. And if you guys haven't gone there to keep an eye out for their clearance sales, you really need to start, because they have some amazing deals when they do their clearance sales. They really do. So I ordered this. Herrschner's is really usually very, very quick. I get the product and then I'm able to show everything. But I ordered this, I think, at the beginning of July. It's July 31st that I'm recording this, so that gives you a little bit of a hint. But they sent it out and everything was working fine, but UPS at the time decided that they were no longer going to deliver to my house. They weren't going to do it anymore. Nope. They decided it ain't happening. So it sat in the UPS warehouse for, I think, about 2 weeks. I wasn't contacted, and then they sent it back to Herrschner's, and I saw that they sent it back to Herrschner's, and so I called Herrschner's and I said, look, I don't want to return it. I want the products. Can you send it back? And I gave them my P.O. box to send it to instead of my address, since obviously they weren't going to send it to me there. And then so they did send it back. The only weird thing that they did is they put my P.O. box, and then they also put my street address. So it was coming back to my street address. Again, it got in town. It sat there for a few weeks. Not a few weeks, a few days before UPS decided that they were going to bring it and deliver it to my house. So I finally got it. I had given up, honestly, on getting it. So anyway, I only got a few different yarns, so I don't have too much to show you, but I do have some to show you. And I'm going to save my favorite get for last. But what I'm about to show you, I've actually hauled before, but I didn't haul enough to do what I wanted to do with it. So I got them again. These were 99 cents a skein. And Peanut's looking at me like, what? Anyway, I got 5 skeins of these, and understand that that is what I had gotten more than that before, and it wasn't enough. But it's the, woo, look at this. This is the Red Heart Pompadoodle yarn. So it is a novelty yarn. So it's like this, and then it has these little pom-poms on it. All right, and I got the 2 colorways that I got are this one is called Beach House. So I got the Beach House, and I think this one's Granite. Yep, and I got Granite. And what I'm doing with these 2 yarns, which they are so soft and fluffy, you guys, they are super duper soft and fluffy. They are. Anyway, what I want to do with these is make bath mats, and I may have gotten a little bit extra, but the pattern that I found for a bath rug calls for quite a bit of skeins. I think 10 skeins maybe. I haven't looked at the pattern, but it calls for quite a lot of these. So that's why I went ahead and picked up 5 more of each of these types of yarn, so I can make those bath mats. So I only got one other yarn type, and this is my favorite out of my order. I think I got this for, I think it's about $2 a skein. Honestly, I can't recall at this point, but I love this colorway. This colorway is so pretty. But this is Herrschner's Pastry Puff. So it's a Herrschner's Pastry Puff, and this particular colorway is called Rhubarb. And then here's some specs on it. This is 70% acrylic, 30% wool. It feels good. I usually don't even like a percentage of wool, but this, I don't feel the wool in here. So it's 70% acrylic, 30% wool. It is 4.9 ounces, 139 grams, 228 yards, or 209 meters. So for knit, they suggest a size 8 needle. And then for crochet, they suggest an H or 8 hook. And that's American terminology, I believe. They do say to hand wash this, and I'm sure lay flat to dry. If you have to hand wash it, they wanted to lay flat to dry. So originally I was thinking I would make a baby blanket out of this, because check out this colorway. Isn't that cute? It's like a great baby blanket colorway. I think it might end up becoming a pillow cover instead. So I'm excited about this. I'm not going to do anything with this really quickly because I have some other stuff I need to finish up. But what do you guys think? Since it is something that needs to be hand washed, what would you make with this if you had this yarn? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright, so hey you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me here today. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit a thumbs up while you're down below. And while you're down there, if you like this kind of stuff, then go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the bell so that you're reminded each time that I come out with a brand new video. And I want to make sure I tell you guys, hey, you guys have an amazing day. Bye bye.